Today, we are going to go through a full unboxing of the APTMAPT Magsafe Wallet with Apple Find My. It is an ultra-slim magnetic phone card holder for your iPhone, fits 3 cards, and charges wirelessly. Let's take it out of the box. We purchased this Magsafe wallet after having lost an Apple Magsafe wallet. Unlike that wallet, this one can be tracked using Find My, even if it is detached from your iPhone. Inside the box, in addition to the wallet, there is a full instruction manual with detailed instructions. It provides full specifications about the wallet, including the fact that it is waterproof, will fully charge on a wireless charger in about 1.5 hours, and will last for about 6 months on a full charge. It shows you how to turn the wallet on or off, and how to add it to your Find My app. Flipping the instructions over, the other side shows you how to use the wallet functions in Find My. This includes having your wallet play a sound, enabling notifications, turning on lost mode, renaming it, and sharing its location with others. Now let's take a look at the wallet itself. It is in a protective plastic sleeve. Pulling it out of that, the wallet is quite solid. It doesn't feel like leather, more like a soft, textured plastic. Inside, there is a protective piece of cardboard that can be easily pushed out, and then pulled from the wallet. And that is pretty much what you will find in the box. Now let's see how the wallet works. First, we will put in a set of credit cards. As advertised, it fits about 3 cards easily in the wallet. To remove the cards, push from the bottom to eject the cards a little bit, and then you can easily grab them and pull them out of the top of the wallet. The wallet is definitely thicker than the regular Apple Magsafe wallet, but as mentioned, this one allows for all Find My functions, as if an AirTag was built into the wallet. Let's turn on the wallet. Just press the power button quickly, and you will hear a chime when it turns on. Now, let's stick it onto an iPhone using Magsafe. It holds quite well, although not as good as an original Apple wallet. It also does add more thickness to the phone. To turn off the wallet, you push the power button and hold it for about 3 seconds. You will hear 2 beeps as it turns off. Now we will add the wallet to our Find My app. In Find My, click on the plus button to add a device. Choose Add Other Item. It will find a Y tag. Click on Connect. You can then name your item. And give it an icon. After a few more clicks it will be added to your Find My. To charge the wallet, you just connect it to a Magsafe charger, and it will emit a noise when charging starts. You can also see a red charging light on the wallet. As mentioned, it takes about an hour and a half to fully charge. Once fully charged, the charging light will turn green. When you take it off the charger, it emits another noise. We hope you found this video informative.